In this video, we'll take a look at using a FortiGate as a wireless controller. The FortiGate uses a special protocol called FortiLink to act as a controller for both FortiAPs and FortiSwitches. This also allows you to extend the same security you've configured on the FortiGate to the very edge of your network without a lot of added complexity. We'll start by looking at the controller capabilities themselves. There are no additional licenses required to enable the wireless controller functionality on a FortiGate, so users can adopt and manage as many APs as their FortiGate model can support. In the Managed AP section, I can see all the APs currently controlled by the FortiGate. If I had new APs plugged in, they would show up here for me to authorize. I can view their specific config if I so desire. You can set up your network in the SSID area. An SSID can be configured with the parameters you would expect, including SSID name, type of security, including captive portal, and so on. The new Wi-Fi Maps feature allows me to place my APs on a floor plan and then drill down to get information on specific APs, including their health and uptime. If I want a more general view of wireless health, I can see that in the Wi-Fi monitor, which shows aggregated statistics for all of the wireless managed by my FortiGate. Now all of this feels like traditional wireless management functionality. It's the convergence of our FortiGate firewall features with the wireless that adds unique capabilities for the Fortinet wireless solution. If I look at the topology of my security fabric, I can now see everything from the FortiGate down through the FortiSwitches to the FortiAPs, and even the clients all in a single location. Something you might not expect is to see how the wireless shows up in other places within the FortiGate. If we go to the Interfaces screen, here you can see my SSIDs. In fact, they are treated just like any other physical interface on the front of my FortiGate firewall. That means I can also assign policies and handle configuration on them in the same way I do other FortiGate interfaces. This is one key aspect of how Fortinet simplifies configuration for the user and removes possible mismatches. As you're creating and applying your policies in one place and assigning them to both your firewall, switch ports, as well as wireless traffic, all in a single location. This also extends to automation within the FortiGate, where I can set up automatic quarantine directly at the access layer, triggered by events within the FortiGate or elsewhere in the security fabric, such as an indication of compromise. Thank you for watching this demonstration. For further information about our secure access products, watch our FortiSwitch videos or log into one of our demo systems and take a test drive yourself.